motion, keep those arms and legs, and especially your heads inside the rail car at all times. And please refrain from smoking, eating, or drinking anything but water aboard the Greenfield Road Railroad. And as we continue on now through Railroad Junction, we're now passing the historic Smith Creek Depot. Originally built in 1858 in Smith Creek, Michigan, about 8.5 miles southwest of Port Huron. Where as a boy, Thomas Edison worked for the Grand Trunk Railroad, selling treats and newspapers along the way from Port Huron to Detroit and back again. And that brings us to the heart of our Railroad Junction District. Just up ahead, our Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse, where we repair and maintain our 3 coal-fired steam locomotives. Originally built in 1884 in Marshall, Michigan, it was recreated here at Greenfield Village in the year 2000, using elements from the original building. And on the other side of the roundhouse is our Liberty Craftworks district, where artisans and craftsmen create beautiful objects in glass and pottery, tin and weaving. There's a print shop, a carving shop, and a whole lot more. And don't miss the David Peters in Glass Gallery, with a spectacular collection. Is the Firestone Farm, the birthplace of Harvey Firestone, Henry Ford's great friend, and the founder of the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company of Akron, Ohio. Firestone Farm is a living history farm, the farmhouse built in 1828 in Columbia. And that brings us to our next stop of the day, and that's Firestone Station at the front gate. From here you have full access to working farms, Main Street, Liberty Craftworks, and Henry's Model T. If you're leaving us here, please stay seated until the train comes to a complete stop. The engineer will give a blast of the whistle. That means the air brake is set, and they'll give you the go-ahead to exit on the right side only. Wait for the whistle, everybody.